alongside Macy's at the mall at Millenia in Orlando, Florida. And we have yet another one of these individual Schindler elevators with the rare EPCO buttons. Well, unfortunately, it's got empty on the inside. So we'll have two. Takes a little bit to level. Anyways, we're up on the second floor. Back down to one. Door closed does not work, as we all know, for Schindler with MTs. Here's a look at the cab. Pretty much identical to the one by Bloomingdale's. Very nice elevator though, especially for a modern shopping mall. There's your certificates and your MT buttons. Fancy's 30 by 100, and there's your floor indicator. Now let's watch it level. Also, this one has a little bit of level issue as well. There you go. You're welcome. Yeah. Alright, well, let's people go upstairs. There goes the elevator. I'm going to try to watch it go up without getting those people in the photo. And there it goes up. Alright, that'll be it for this elevator.